This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbor. This popular Craig Keaton floor plan is move-in ready. Brick front and vinyl sides and rear. Partially covered deck. Oversized 2-car garage with window unit air conditioner. Aggregate finish driveway and sidewalk. Low maintenance landscaping. Level driveway and yard. Concrete slab and crawl space for small item storage. New roof and HVAC in 2022. Living/dining combo, vaulted ceiling, kitchen has double cabinet pantry, laundry room with storage closet, large primary bedroom with walk-in closet, primary bath with double vanities, jetted tub and walk-in shower. Guest bedrooms apart from primary. Guest bath has walk-in shower. 3 sun tubes for great natural daytime light. Carpet in bedrooms and LVP in living areas. Gas log fireplace. Bonus, common property on one side and to the rear and vacant lot on the other side. Well-established golf course neighborhood home with privacy. L for more information.